Still struggling with your potted citrus? Chances are it's just a few common mistakes. Let's fix them fast. Let's go. Hi friends and citrus lovers, welcome back to the channel. It's Marcelina here. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Alright, so container citrus can thrive if you avoid these common mistakes. In this video, I'm sharing the 7 biggest citrus growing mistakes and how to fix them. Stick around, don't click away, be right back. Mistake number 1, using the wrong soil. Most potted citrus struggle because they are planted in soil that holds too much moisture. Citrus roots need fast draining airy soil, not heavy potting mix that stays wet and causes root rot. So if you want a thriving citrus, not just surviving, using the right soil is the first step. Acetic citrus mix makes that happen. So when you're ready growing your own first citrus, grab a bag of acetic citrus mix, link in the description. Mistake number 2, overwatering. One of the fastest ways to kill your citrus in container is giving too much water. When the soil stays wet, roots can't breathe, leading to yellowing leaves, fungus, and eventually root rot. So to fix it, use a finger rule, water only when the top 2 to 3 inches of soil feel dry, or left the pot if you can. If it is heavy, stop watering. If it is light, water the tree. So this is light. As you can see, it's dry. It needs water. Mistake number 3, using the wrong size or type of container. Too small of a pot, roots trapped inside, less nutrients in the soil because the root system of the tree can quickly use up the soil over time, leading to less nitrogen and other important nutrients. As you can see, the leaves of the citrus are beginning to turn yellow, so we definitely repot the tree into a bigger pot and fertilize. Stick with me all the way to the end because I'm showing you how to repot the citrus and what nutrients to feed the plant to boost the root system. Too large of a pot, soil stays wet longer, leading to root rot. So to fix the problem, I would recommend you guys to resize or size up your container. Use the right size or right pots, and for 3-year-old citrus, aim 5 to 7 gallon container. For bigger, larger, matured citrus, aim 15 to 20 gallon container. Alright, so if you are new to growing citrus, or this is your first time, I would recommend to grab a copy of my book. This is citrus, how to grow citrus in container, as well as the book, The Ultimate Guide for Growing Citrus by Greg Stevens. These books will guide you how to grow citrus in pots. Grab a copy of this. I provide the link description below. Alright? Mistake number 4, neglecting nutrients. Many potted citrus struggle because the soil cannot supply enough nutrients over time. Key nutrients like nitrogen, magnesium, and iron are essential for healthy leaves and fruit. So make sure you feed your citrus periodically, timely, or make sure that it feeds correctly. Alright? Now, I use this citrus fertilizer. I use citrus tone, slow release fertilizer, and jack fertilizer. It has balanced nutrients, 20% nitrogen, 10% phosphorus, and 20% potassium. So feed your citrus, especially during the growing season. Now, if you want, hold on, if you want to grow your citrus organically, here's the product I would recommend. I would love you to try this product. This is called Azotec Super Tribe. This is not your regular soil, right? So this is additive, soil additive, and you don't need a lot when you grow in container. You just need 1 cup for gallon container. Fill your container with the mix, and then halfway, and then add 1 cup of Super Tribe. Mix it inside the container. I will show you when I repot my citrus. So this is great. It helps the immunity of your tree, and also it boosts the root system. Now, another product that I would love you guys to try. I've been using this product and I couldn't wait to share it with you. So this is the activator. For those of you who know activator, and for those of you who don't know activator, this is going to activate your soil, especially plants grown in container. It is not just citrus, all right? It's all the plants that you grow in the container. So when you grow in the pot, soil become old over time. So I'm sure you add fresh soil to to renew the soil, but I would recommend to add soil activator. This soil activator is going to activate the soil, making it fresh and also increasing microbial activity. So this is available online, and I will link the product below this video. So I would recommend to use this. Now, another product that I use here in the greenhouse, as you can see, my citrus are very healthy. So I want to share my experience with you and try the product that I use, so you guys have a healthy citrus. So the Super Booster. Now this Super Booster have a lot of stuff in here that your citrus will thank you for. So this is going to boost the root system. Roots are important parts of the plant because they are responsible in absorbing nutrients. So if it is weak roots, would not be able to process or absorb the nutrients properly. So you need to boost the roots by using this root booster. All right. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to repot the citrus, and we're going to apply all of this. All right.